we are going to see CSS and CSS3. Okay, so what does CSS means? Cascading style sheet. So it is mainly used to differentiate your description of your web page and then the styling elements. So if you differentiate both your description and then your styling elements, so it can be reused in your code.
Now I am going to explain about CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets. So this not only used means we are used to styling to create web pages. What are things we are including in the web page creating things? Color, layout, background, font and border properties. So these are things we are creating to web pages. And next, the main objective of CSS are content accessibility and provide enhanced flexibility and control. So these are things in these descriptions we are separately dividing. So these are only main objective. So real-time example or we are using real-time example we are using websites like Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, and login pages, etc. These are things we use. CSS3 means cascading style sheets level 3, and it is an advanced version of CSS. This is used for structuring and staging the web pages. Introduces several new features in the CSS, and it is supported by all modern tools.
We are going to see about new features of CSS3. Combinator. Guided combinator is mostly used in the CSS3, and it is used to match the sibling elements. And the advanced sectors are advanced sectors. It is used to select and style the HTML element in the web pages. Pseudocode. It is denoted as colon. It is used to style the part of the element before and after. Border styles. In border style, there are two types. There are border radius and border image. Border radius makes a rounded corner at the border. Border image, it uses the images in the border. And the background properties. Background origin, it denotes where the background starts, and background size, it denotes the size of the background. And background, it cuts and alters the background interior parts and outer. And the new style, it uses to add the effects to the background images.
Let's see about difference between CSS and CSS3. CSS is the starting version and CSS3 is the updated version. CSS is developed in 1996 and CSS3 is developed in 2005. CSS cannot build 3D animation and transformation, but CSS3 supported animation and 3D transformation. Does not support media queries. CSS3 support media queries, and CSS not supported by all type of modern browsers, but CSS3 support all type of modern browsers. No special effect like shadowing text or text animation in CSS. CSS3 support text, shadows and visual effects.
So now we will see about a case study on CSS3. So we took a case study like building a personal portfolio website using CSS. So we have a client named Ananya, and she has a profession of freelancing and UI/UX development. So we need to create a simple minimalistic portfolio which represents her work, and it will be like more elegant for and it should be attract other clients too. So there will be major challenge like it should be visually appealing, and we don't use complex JavaScript libraries. So without these, we need to build a portfolio website. So for solution, we can use CSS. So because it has clean layout with a grid and a flex box. So grid means we can use this for if we use a responsive grid, it will adjust the screen size for different devices. If we use mobile, it will give the content or a box which will fit for the mobile application. So then smooth animation for visual appealing and responsive design. So as I already said, like for mobile and desktop, we have various grid size. And in CSS, that will be addition of dark and light mode. So we can switch from dark mode and light mode toggle only with then can we use CSS variables. CSS variables is used for color schemas, and responsive grid layout is used to fit for the different screen size. And hoover effect with transition. So hoover effect is basically like there will be change of an element. If we touch an element, there are given options like we can change its button, image, link, so we can change it. And transition is like a smooth little animator. And same like CSS animation is used for rotating, sliding. For such effects we use CSS animation. And dark mode, light mode toggle is used in CSS. So as a result we can get an client satisfaction and user retention. Here we use a tool like HTML5 and CSS3, and we use VS Code for the running part.